After the command substitution, the next expansion the shell will perform is the arithmetic expansion. Arithmetic expansion allows the evaluation of an arithmetic expression and the substitution of the result. This is the format of an arithmetic expansion. Let's see a few examples. X equals $, and two parentheses. And between parentheses, the expression to be expanded. 7 times 9. Echo $x. And we see that the result of 7 times 9 was saved in the variable called x. All the tokens in the expression undergo parameter and variable expansion, command substitution, and quote removal. Let's see another one. 7 to the power of 9. The operators and their precedence are the same as in any other language. Note that the shell allows arithmetic expressions to be evaluated by using the let built-in command as well. For example, let y equals 2 to the power of 8. There's no check for overflow, though division by 0 is flagged as an error. Let's try an overflow. Let y equals 2 to the power of 128. This is an overflow. The result is too big and cannot be saved in y. X is 0. That was an overflow because the result of 2 to the power of 128 was greater than the maximum integer value that can be stored. Another limitation of bash is that arithmetic expansion is done only using integers. That means that it cannot handle floating point numbers like other programming languages. If you want to do decimal operations, you should use another command like BC. It stands for basic calculator. You can pipe the arithmetic expression as a string to BC. For example, 3 multiplied by 7. Pipe BC. And we've got 21. Even though all numbers are represented internally by BC in decimal and all computation is done in decimal, it won't display any fractional part by default. For example, let's try 11 divided by 4. And the result is 2. We don't see the remainder or the fractional part. To see the fractional part, you need to specify the scale, which is the total number of decimal digits after the decimal point. I'll do something like this. Scale equals 2, semicolon. Now it's displaying the number, the result, with 2 decimal digits. We won't dive deeper into BC, but you should know that you can also use it this way. BC, 3 less than symbols. Let's say scale equals 3, and the arithmetic expression. 23 divided by 7. Bash includes the triple less than redirection operator, allowing a string to be used as the standard input to a command, in this case to BC. This is also called a here string. And finally, note that BC also has an interactive mode. You can run the BC command to enter its interactive mode and then perform any computations.